Hey, how's it going? We're going to be talking about good soil that's for good drainage for your cuttings. So right here I have regular sand with half sand, half perlite. This works really good for me. I use it for my cuttings. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to fill this up halfway, and then we're going to put the rooting hormones on the passion vines, the ones I grew from seed that are making flowers and fruit. So I want to keep a lot of these and make more of them. So you see the mixture. I want you to get a little closer look of it. See how it still holds together? You want that. Okay, let's fill this up. You're going to like this mixture, and the plants will appreciate it too. You'll have less success with them dying. I'm going to do that much right now. You don't need much, just half. Then I'll fill the rest around it. Alright, so let's put some holes in it. Deep holes. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so let's get the, I already put some rooting hormone on it, so we're good. I put the rooting hormone on it, and I've already stuck it in some water. It's been sitting for a little bit. So here's the cuttings. You're going to want to leave like an inch of the stem, and these little notches right about here is where usually the roots will come out of, and vice versa. So you want to at least put a few inches of that covered in the sand. I just spilled the water. It's okay. So we're going to stick it straight in the sand like that. Don't want to stick it all the way in there. Let's put this down so you can watch me better. Alright, let's get the other ones going. These guys will appreciate you so much. This is a way to make copies of your plants that you really like. I haven't tried the fruit yet, but just for it being like making flowers, I'm okay with that if the fruit's bad. It makes really beautiful flowers, and this one from seed has already made over 15 flowers in under a year. So that has to tell you a lot, and fingers crossed we get good fruit. Alright, so I'm getting these in here. And you're going to want to keep this moist every other day as you can. Don't let it dry out completely, just keep it moist, well drained, and you'll be doing good. Okay, let's take a closer look. See how I got them in there? Now we're going to add more sand to cover around it. Then we're going to tap down. And after a few weeks you'll start seeing a difference. You'll start seeing new growth. And you want them to get a nice little root ball before you pull them out of here. Now remember, you want to keep it in the shade. I'm going to put mine in my greenhouse. So see, I'm going to pat them down. See how fine it is when I push it? But also it's got air, where air can get through. And you can tell it's going to have a good flow of water. Water's just going to go right through it. But make sure it has a big root ball before you separate these. And they're going to do really good for you. Alright, so you want to make sure everything's packed tightly. Push down. See how I'm going? Getting it really tight. You want to do it all the way around. And if you're doing this in the winter months, maybe get you a little heater pad or put it somewhere near the windowsill. Not a lot of sun, but where it stays warm. You want the roots to develop well. I got a little heater in the greenhouse. I'll keep it on the back of I have a granite little place to sit my plants on. So a granite table that I laid on some cinder blocks. And they really like it. So let's go in, walk over here. You can put it inside. You got to see the greenhouse. We'll give it a little water real quick, and you'll see what I mean. over here. Get some water on it to see how well it drains. See how, look how quick you want. See how quick that is? It's going right through it. And also try to tap again on the sides, because when you pick it up, it does try to move around, and you want it to go all the way through the sand. See that? That's what you should have. You should want it to drain really quick. See that? This is Blake's Nature Life. Hope you enjoy this video. Doing cuttings for the passion vine and good soil mixture. Sand, half perlite. Catch you later.